In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a template in Docusign Esignature. Whether you're a seasoned user or someone just getting started with Docusign, modifying templates is a key skill that can truly streamline your document management process. So let's dive in and walk through this step by step. First, you'll need to go to the Docusign website. If you're not familiar with Docusign, it's the global leader in electronic signature technology and intelligent agreement management. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to their website. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, the next step is to log in. You can find the login button at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. Just type in your username and password and hit enter. If you happen to forget your login details, there's an option to recover them, so no worries there. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. This is your central hub for managing all your documents and templates. From this page, look for a tab labelled Templates. It's usually located on the left side menu. Clicking this will take you to where all of your saved templates are stored. Now that you're in the Templates section, you might notice that you have a list of templates you frequently use. Next to each template, there's a three-dot icon, often referred to as a More Options menu. It's typically found on the right side adjacent to each template name. Click this icon when you find the template you wish to edit. After clicking the three-dot icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option that says Edit and click on it. This will open the template in edit mode. Here you have the flexibility to make any changes to the template fields, text, or layout to suit your current needs. Perhaps you need to update a clause or change the recipient's details. Whatever it is, now's your chance to make those adjustments. Once you've made all necessary changes, don't forget to save your work. There's usually a save button nearby, often at the top or bottom of the editing page. Clicking save ensures all your adjustments are securely stored and your template is ready for future use. And there you have it, you've successfully edited a template in Docusign Esignature. This simple process can save you loads of time, especially if you frequently need to adjust agreements or documents. Remember, getting comfortable with these features can significantly enhance your productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides. Happy documenting!